Hello nerdies! For this video, I made a compilation of some of the Thai BL couples who made a lot of their single fans jealous because of the way they celebrated Valentine's Day. Please take note that I may not include all of them in the list, but I tried my best to include every BL pair that I saw posting about their Valentine's Day. So without further ado, let's start. Pooh and Pavel celebrated Valentine's Day working. This is because the two are currently shooting for the second season of their BL series. However, the following day, Pavel shared a post on his Instagram sharing pictures of them giving their gift for each other and a picture of two similar necklaces in the end. In the caption, Pavel shared that due to their busy schedule and their shooting ending late at night, they didn't have time to celebrate Valentine's Day, so he decided to buy a gift for Pooh, which is from the brand that he uses, because he noticed that Pooh seemed to like that item. However, when they exchanged their gifts, it turns out that Pooh bought the item that Pavel picked from the same brand. So now they ended up having a couple necklace. Because of this, their fans couldn't help but call them soulmates and were very much happy to see both of them wearing their couple necklace. Pooh can be seen wearing it during their event in the university. Meanwhile, Pavel is seen wearing it while eating. Z and Nunu never failed to make everyone feel single on Valentine's Day, as the two shared how they celebrated Valentine's Day on their Instagram account. Z prepared a dinner date for Nunu in what seems to be a Japanese restaurant based on the pictures he uploaded. He also surprised Nunu with 650 pieces of roses, but instead of putting it in a usual bouquet, he made it customized so the roses were turned into a huge teddy bear. Fans also find out that the teddy bear bouquet cost 22,000 baht, or the equivalent of almost 653 US dollars. We can also see some pictures of Nunu taken by Z, where he is the passenger princess, and Z drawing a heart on Nunu's palm using red lip. Taeyu and Off-Road's Valentine's celebration is the definition of if he wants to, he will. Their fans were touched as Off-Road uploaded a video of how he surprised Dao during Valentine's Day. But what's more touching is the fact that Off-Road has a scheduled work in Korea at that time, but he immediately returned to Thailand after finishing it just to surprise Dao. He prepared a bouquet of roses. However, once he entered the room, he was also surprised by Dao, who decorated the room in return to surprise him.
Surprise
เอาไว้แล้วไหนพี่เตียวอ่ะ
สั่งมา นี่ดูเร็วโอ้ห้องสวยมาก
ทำไมมาช้าจัง
ไฟดีเลย์
ขอบคุณครับ
เย้
Dao also prepared a bouquet of roses and even bought a Balenciaga Valentine t-shirt to wear just for this said occasion.
แฮปปี้วันไทน์เดย์
มีเหมือนกัน
ไหน โอ้
แฮปปี้วาเลนไทน์
In the end, the two shared a mirror selfie of their reflection after successfully surprising each other. William and S is celebrating two occasions in the same day because it turns out that Valentine's Day is also William's birthday. In S' TikTok account, he shared a video of him building a Lego rose that he later on gave to William for Valentine's. Now that's a rose that wouldn't wither. I also found out that William and Est both built a similar Lego rose before, so maybe that's where Est get the idea of making one for William. The two spent their dinner outside, where Est gave his birthday gift to William and also prepared a guitar-shaped cake. And it's not just a simple cake, because William has to smash it with a wooden hammer to reveal the other treats inside. Billy and Babe already started shocking their fans with their intense visuals and poses when the two revealed glimpses of their photo shoot for a magazine before the Hearts Day. And on Valentine's Day, the two went to have a dinner date based on the place and foods in the picture. We can also conclude that Billy prepared a bouquet of roses for Babe. The two were also spotted watching their fan project on that same night. Meanwhile, on their next schedule, Babe reciprocated Billy's efforts and gave him a bouquet of roses this time, to which we can clearly see how thankful and happy Billy is because according to him, this is the first time that he received a flower from Babe. Net and JJ also celebrated their first Valentine's Day as a BL pairing. Net reserved a meeting room for two people at Anglo where they ate. Net also cooked one of the dishes by himself, and instead of a usual flower bouquet, Net gave JJ a tulips balloon bouquet because JJ is allergic to pollen. Aside from that, he also made vouchers that JJ can use, which I find very unique and cute at the same time.
นี่นะคะของขวัญมาเพื่อนไทยแกะด้วยแล้วก็อ่านจะใช้หรือไม่ใช้ก็แล้วแต่นะโชว์ได้โชว์ก็ไม่ดูอันนี้ผมใช้นะพูดเองนะอันนี้ใช้ได้ก็ตั้งใจให้ใช้นี่ไงทำไมน่ารักมากเลยเกลียดพื้นแล้วอันนี้ผมไม่จำเป็นต้องใช้เพราะผมไม่ได้กินผมไม่ได้แต่ต้องมีสักวันใช่เดี๋ยวนี้แหละไม่ใช่เลยแค่ก่อนนะไม่ได้ใช้ด้วยหมดปีหน้าใช่ป่ะ26 ปีหน้าป่ะถึงปีหน้าเลยเก็บที่รู้วะใช้เลยไม่ได้เก็บไว้ก่อนหนูใช้วันยามจำเป็นHappy Valentine ค่ะเพื่อผมไปได้ดีที่สุดคือเราผม
Jung and Dong is probably one of the BL ships that fans are waiting for a Valentine's Day update. In one of their events, they were even asked by the media if they have something prepared for Valentine's Day.
มีของขวัญหรืออะไรได้กันบ้างหรือยังไม่อึ้งอ่างไม่อึ้งอ่าง
ยังไม่ให้ครับ
แต่มี
มีครับ
เฮ้ย
อะไรนะครับ
เขาบอกเขามีแล้วเรา
มีอยู่แล้ว มีอยู่แล้ว
ก็รอลุ้น
อย่าบอกว่านาโอริเฮ้ย เป็นของขวัญเล็กๆ น้อยๆใช่
ต้องรอลุ้นเที่ยงคืนหรือเปล่าลงไอจีหรือเปล่า
เดี๋ยวให้แฟนๆติดตามกันดีกว่า ผมชอบลงไอจีอยู่แล้ว ใช่ได้ติดตามได้เลย
And when the day comes, they didn't fail to update their fans about their date. The two gave each other their gifts, and Jung happens to guess what Dunk prepared for him. It was a special dessert from Dunk's business, Nevori, and he specially made it for Jung as we can see in the video he uploaded. After their restaurant date, some fans saw the two walking around and stopping by some food stalls to buy some food. They uploaded a photo of a tanghulu and a taiyaki, and some fans even managed to send them off. Mark Paquin and Om Tepacorn is also another new GMM TV pairing who made their fans feel single at Valentine's Day. It turns out that Om was arranging a flower bouquet for Mark days before the special day. And what's special about this bouquet is the fact that it's artificial, so it won't wither. Om's bouquet turns out to be Mark's first bouquet of flowers that he received, which makes it even more special. Mark's reaction on the surprise can be seen through the camera set up inside the car. I can say that Om's surprise is a massive success. Mark also posted on X a picture of him with Om's bouquet captured at the back. Great and In also celebrated Valentine's Day filming for their new series. However, while the two are getting their makeup ready, Great suddenly gave In a bouquet of flowers that literally caught him off guard.
Happy Valentine
อะไรอ่ะไม่เข้าใจอ่ะไม่เข้าใจอะไรเอาทำไมงงมากทำไมฮะไร้สาระมากไร้สาระอะไรอ่ะแพ้ดอกไม้หรือเปล่าถามหรือยัง
เป็นแพ้หรอกครับ
ถามหรือยังอย่ามาทำคอนเทนต์ตรงนี้
คอนเทนต์หน่อยวันนั้นทาย
ไม่ชอบครับพี่น้องพี่น้องสวย
เป็นไงครับโอ้ยได้ละดูสิอ่ะเขินเขิน
ไม่
เขิ
ช
น
อบไม่ชอบ
เขิน
ไม่ชอบเราสีแดงไม่ชอบเราสีแดง
เขินได้ไหมล่ะ ไม่ต้องปัดแก้มแล้วค่ะชมพูแล้วเนี่ย
อย่าทำคอนเทนต์แบบนี้เข้าใจไหม
That's all for this video, nerdies. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and see you again on my next upload. Stay safe, everyone.